Cleaning between our teeth has come a long way since the original string floss. We know we have to find ways to be creative and make daily tasks like cleaning between the teeth fun for our children. Starting children young with good oral health habits will encourage them to continue those habits into adulthood, and finding ways to help them perform the habit and encourage them to want to perform the habit isn't easy. Handles make it easier for parents and caregivers to help clean the interproximal areas without putting their fingers and hands into their mouth. It is still suggested that children under 8 years of age receive help because they do not have the complete manual dexterity to accomplish the task effectively. A 2005 study documented that children's biofilm indices were lower when they had their oral hygiene performed by their caregivers. However, traditional floss is not easy to use, and creating the C shape is pretty difficult at times. In fact, a 2017 study showed that children have a difficult time holding the floss tautly between their fingers and had not performed the flossing technique as recommended. They struggled with curving the floss around the base of the teeth. And children have low dexterity typically with dental flossing. They depend on their parents or caregivers for removing the dental plaque from the interproximal surface of the teeth, and that isn't always easy with traditional floss. A small study of 40 children was conducted at UCLA School of Dentistry comparing GumChucks with traditional string floss. Children used either GumChucks or traditional floss for 4 weeks. In this study, they found children aged 4 to 9 were able to floss more quickly and efficiently with GumChucks than were the children aged 10 to 15 who were using string floss. This suggested that children from 4 to 9 may be able to floss independent and effectively with GumChucks. Now, I've seen children use GumChucks for the first time, and they are a bit awkward, and it does take supervision in the beginning to ensure they are developing the correct technique before letting them do the habit alone. But we know kids pick up task and fine motor skills pretty quickly, and this study showed that. You can find more at GumChucks.com. If you or your patients love GumChucks, don't keep it a secret and help us spread the word. We would love for you to tag us on Instagram and Facebook, and thanks for watching.